Good afternoon. I'm here to talk about those that are water elements. If you know you came out from water elements, then this video is for you. Let's get right into the video. So, on this video, if you're finding it difficult that when you do a spiritual work, it's not working for you, for those that are water elements, if you do it, it will not work for you, or you might do it once, it will work, and the other next time it will not work. My dear, my brother, my sister, my aunties, my uncle, my daddy and mommy, you have to settle your water spirits. You have to settle your water spirits. If you know that your spiritual is water, your spirit husband, spirit wife is disturbing your matter, is disturbing your life, is not making you to marry, not making you to bear children, not making you to be facing disappointment in your life. If you try this one, it will not work. Others will try their own, it will work. The same thing that you try that will not work for you. Do this step first. Settle your waters. We go to the river. Introduce yourself to the water goddess. That now you have come to apologize, and you have now realized that you're from them, because you can't fight nature. You can't go to this one, go to that one, go to spiritual this one, go to prophet, pastor, and they say you need to do separation, you need to do separation, you need to do make them to go out from your body. No, they might do it for you, it will not work. To seem as if you're not having sex in the dream, or you see as if that spirit is not disturbing you again, but the around is still making you to have disappointment in life. You have to do sacrifice. Yes, a little sacrifice. And those that are water element need to be doing thanksgiving, saraka, especially to the little children. 20 naira note, try to the children. Cook food, the one you can afford, do it. You have to go to water goddess, river of the goddess, to help you, because we, those that are water element, because me myself I'm a water element, we don't struggle except you have not acknowledged them. That's where you struggle to marry. That's where you struggle to make business, make money. That's where you struggle for failure. People you put mind on, they will later turn you down. So my dear, if you're a water element, settle your water spirit, settle your spiritual husband, settle your spiritual wife. Tell them to help you, tell them to protect you, tell them to give you what you want, tell them to give you the highest protection in life, because they are the one that have the highest protection. They can afford to you as one of them. Because if you go to prophet, they say they want to separate you, they want to vanish them from your side. You can't fight nature. It's nature. You're not your fault that you came out from water, a water element person. So they can't fight nature. You can't fight fire, you can't fight air. It's nature. You can't fight water. You can't tell them that they should go. They will go, but they are still causing problem to you, and they will go and still come back after some years. Then why are you wasting time, wasting money? Just buy what you can buy, affordable, throw it inside the liver for them. If it's native egg, native jug, food, anything you can afford. Not that they are hungry, but it's to signify that you are acknowledging them as one of you are among of them, you are among of them. If you have not acknowledged them, my dear, they will make life miserable for you. They will make life not unbearable for you. They will make stagnation into your life. Even when you do spiritual work, spiritual bath, scrub, any type of spiritual powerful, all those things, them, my dear, even though you beat the highest one, you will not see results. I tell you the truth, you will not see a good result. They will still come back with, they will still cause you pains and sorrow. They will cause you affliction. But wherever you have acknowledged them, life will be so sweet and so good for you. Life will be so good for you, my dear. So please acknowledge them. Always use what, anytime you're doing spiritual, always use river, flowing water attached with your spiritual work. And those that are water element, we don't do charm. Charm is against us. You can't do charm for yourself. It will not work. Acknowledge them. Make them to be happy. They will make you happy. My spiritual wife, please help me to prosper. Make my business to excel. Spiritual husband, make me to excel. I will do this every month. You do every month sacrifice. Go and meet them. Just as you're paying tax every month. You acknowledge them. Even in the Bible, they say give what belongs to God and what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. It's still happening in this our time till now. It's still happening. Yes, God has paid the price for us. He has paid the price. And you yourself personally, you have to pay your price for your freedom. You have to pay your price. You have to acknowledge your element that you came from. And you also acknowledge your guardian angel. Your element you came from is your little God. They know they are little God to you. So you have to serve them as a little God, not as a big God, because we have our God Almighty. Everybody knows that there is God Almighty who rules everywhere. Do a sacrifice. Every month you will see a mercy turn around in your life. You will see a mercy turn around in your life. Please, I don't want to make this video too long. But those that know what I'm talking will understand what I'm saying. Earlier is better, so that things will not turn wrong to you. If I know or what are they saying? How do I know? So do it and embrace your happiness. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.